Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add contacts on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to add contacts on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to add contacts on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to add contacts on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding contact on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing chat icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now at the top in second number you are seeing new contact. Click on it. From here, enter the contact details and then click on save. Your contact will be added in your mobile phone. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add contacts on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.